This is a guide on replacing an LCD screen on the Lenovo IdeaPad 320 laptop. For the replacement process, we'll need the following tools: a plastic pick, a small Phillips screwdriver, and an X-Acto knife. To begin, shut down the laptop by pressing and holding the power button and disconnecting the power cord. The first step is to remove the bezel. Start from the left side by gently pulling the inner edge of the plastic. Once the edge is unsnapped, move around the perimeter, releasing all of the four sides. In order to open the bezel at the bottom, you will need to use a plastic pick. Turn the laptop sideways and insert the plastic pick between the bezel and the top cover. Move it along the edge. Use the same plastic pick to separate the bezel and the hinge cover. Remove the bezel. Now we have access to the LCD panel. Remove 4 Phillips screws holding the screen in place, 1 screw in each corner. Place the LCD screen on the keyboard, and using an X-Acto knife, open the bracket securing the video connector. Disconnect the video cable and discard the old panel. Take the new LCD screen and place it on the keyboard. Using both hands, reconnect the video cable and close the video cable's bracket. Caution: it is very important not to force any of the connectors. As well, you must not twist or slant the connector when plugging it in. Lift the screen up and align it with its mounting holes. Replace the 4 Phillips screws, 1 in each corner. Replace the bezel. Press firmly at the bottom corners and then go around the perimeter, snapping the tabs back in place. Use one hand to press the top cover while snapping the tabs near the hinge. Turn the laptop and make sure that the bezel is properly closed at the back. Reconnect the power cord. Turn the laptop on, and if the startup graphics appear, the LCD screen is installed correctly, and we're done.